they're going to make some even more headway in payments. I think Google Pay already exists. It's already out there on everybody's Android phone. They've just rolled out an update to it, which means you can add loyalty cards to it, so it's an even more useful tool. So I think Google will get some traction there in the same way that Apple Pay has. I think Amazon are very interesting. In fact, they're the most interesting one to watch as far as I'm concerned, because they have both retail clients and small business clients, which gives them a much wider audience.
We should all be aware that these are extremely successful companies, and therefore I think that we are fools to think that these guys will not be professionals just because they haven't been a bank for many years.
For years we have been trying to treat them as a threat, but we realized that actually we need to take them as some kind of benchmark to know why they are so good, why they are so better in something what we are doing. So it's about the customer experience. It's something what we see it starts to be more relevant, because everything starts from the customer experience.
I think it is not an unlikely scenario that they will see that okay, maybe we can help our customers even better if we have a banking license. So from that rationale, I think that it's not an unlikely scenario.
I think with Amazon, it's going to be a partnership opportunity, because I don't think Amazon is going to want to go out there and get a banking license in every territory that Amazon is in. So certainly for the States, we've already heard some rumbles that Amazon might be working with somebody like JP Chase. I think that's the prime opportunity for banks, is to make overtures and say that they're happy to talk to Amazon and go out there with a joint offering.
PayPal really sees an opportunity to work with some of the best technologies available, and we bring to bear our strengths, they bring to bear their strengths. It is about an open ecosystem for payments. It was the point I made today here at the conference. For one customer, you can have 3 or 4 shared owners of that customer. Let's all work together to create the best experience.
Banking hasn't traditionally been one of those markets where it's sort of winner takes all. It'll be interesting to see, but I'd be surprised if they became dominant in any shape or form in the financial services space.
I mean, from the bank perspective, I see still a really advantage, and this advantage is based on the feedback what we have from our clients. They still trust us. We are still a trustable partner.
In general, when we talk about banks, we talk about lots of regulation, and so far these big tech giants, especially in Europe, has got some problems with regulation.
We have a strengthened position in the way that we are used to interacting with our customers, but this is not like a universal truth. So if we cannot continue to create value for our customers, I think that it'll just be a matter of time before they'll find new companies to be customers with.